Green? See that one with the smoke coming out on top? Right ahead. Something like that. Where did we get on this thing?
Look at the stick that goes up and the chicken sandwich.
Let me get his picture one time. Alright. Do you need help? Do you need help coming down? Stay right there. I'm going to video. Just... Careful, hold on. She's met you a couple times.
Yes, she did.
Oh, Diesel. Here's Bill.
Huh?
Right. These are interurban coaches. And before they calls up there when they go to the expressway. These have, you still go.
Okay, it's tied to you, okay? I hope. I know.
Oh,
I like the big
deep
one.
train.
What's the deep train? That big. Daniel's just, I think it's so loud and they're so...
Great, we gotta go this way.
Bye, Mommy. Oh, he wants to go too.
Okay.
Wait a minute.
Come on. Let's go this way, Greg.
My fellow citizens.
Want it off? Hey, look at hi, Daddy.
Yay!
Mackenzie, wait for the Hi.
Get kind of stuck.
Yeah.
Luckily, every way I turn is Daniel's not looking that way.
There he is. This way. Go back.
I guess we go out and get some money
Okay.
for the museum.
few more minutes, and he's got everybody here. We won't be able to take anybody else to see Sir Topham. The people that are left in line, he has time to visit with them, and then that will be it for Sir Topham for this visit. Sir Topham will be meantime. Those of you boarding right now should have a ticket with the letter J. Trip J again, brought to us by our little friend Catherine.
We're on the right place.
So if you have a ticket for you.
Like her away from me, but she didn't know where to go. She's captured everybody's heart, she knows just what. She's cracking here and there, she's cracking everywhere. Crack, crack, shoot, 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 she's the crackeroo.
Oh yeah.
Your ride is coming up at 2 o'clock. Now, if you've already had your Thomas ride today, or perhaps you ride a while before your Thomas ride coming out and visiting us today. There goes Thomas. Bye-bye, Thomas.
Bye-bye,
We'll
Thomas.
see you. I hope you had a good little break there, and you're ready to go for the rest of the afternoon. Bye-bye. Come on back in about 20 minutes, because I'll have a whole other bunch of people that come.
Oh, it's a nice girl.
And of course, Thomases are really useful.
How's this, Dan? Oh, that better? All the kids. Hey, you guys should try to ride that steam engine, Meager. You'd like that.
I really think
Alright. What do you think, Blair? Yeah, that's pretty neat. You know what this word says? Congratulations. They only say 3. Welcome aboard. Thomas? And push it there. Out the window you'll see Thomas pulling the train.
You want to get over here, Bob?
Give him away, Dan.
Bagman?
Stop.
You know you are without the case.
Pardon me?
You know without the
Right. Thomas needs help.
Need everybody say, push, Thomas, push.
Push, Thomas, push. Push.
Thomas Push.
Push, Thomas, push. Push. Now Thomas has got to push back. You know, he's up here. He's pushing.
Does anybody know how old Thomas is and what country he was started in? How old do you think Thomas is?
Do you know? Sir? Oh.
Oh, it's little jumping tent.
Oh, yeah.